अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। जिन दोस्तों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ में लगे बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर लें ताकि हमारी आने वाली इस तरह की न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। तो दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन और देखते हैं अपना आज का पहला सेंटेंस। What happened to her? उसे क्या हुआ? What happened to her? What happened to her? She fell down the stairs. वो सीढ़ियों से नीचे गिर गई। She fell down the stairs. She fell down the stairs. What day is it today? आज कौन सा दिन है? What day is it today? What day is it today? आज इतवार है। It is Sunday today. It is Sunday today. आज इतवार है। It is Sunday today. Do you know her name? क्या तुम उसका नाम जानते हो? Do you know her name? Do you know her name? I forgot her name. मैं उसका नाम भूल गया। I forgot her name. I forgot her name. What did they say? उन्होंने क्या कहा? What did they say? What did they say? They said yes. उन्होंने हाँ कहा। They said yes. They said yes. Where's your phone? तुम्हारा फोन कहाँ है? Where is your phone? Where is your phone? I left my phone at the house. मैं अपना फोन घर छोड़ आया। I left my phone at the house. I left my phone at the house. How was your exam? तुम्हारा इम्तिहान कैसा था? How was your exam? How was your exam? It was very easy. बहुत आसान था। It was very easy. It was very easy. When will the result be out? Result कब आएगा? When will the result be out? When will the result be out? Result will be out in April. Result अप्रैल में आएगा। Result will be out in April. Result will be out in April. His phone is ringing. उसका फोन बज रहा है। His phone is ringing. His phone is ringing. His phone kept ringing. उसका फोन बजता रहा। His phone kept ringing. His phone kept ringing. Do you want her phone number? क्या तुम्हें उसका फोन नंबर चाहिए? Do you want her phone number? Do you want her phone number? Do you know her phone number? क्या तुम्हें उसका फोन नंबर पता है? Do you know her phone number? Do you know her phone number? She gave me phone number. उसने मुझे अपना नंबर दिया या उसने मुझे फोन नंबर दिया। She gave me phone number. She gave me phone number. Don't you want her phone number? क्या तुम्हें उसका नंबर नहीं चाहिए? Don't you want her phone number? Do not you want her phone number? Who plays with you? कौन खेलता है तुम्हारे साथ? Who plays with you? Who plays with you? He plays with me. वो मेरे साथ खेलता है. He plays with me. He plays with me. Who mostly plays with you? ज्यादातर कौन तुम्हारे साथ खेलता है? Who mostly plays with you? Who mostly plays with you? Hashir mostly plays with me. Hashir mostly plays with me. हाशिर मेरे साथ ज्यादातर खेलता है. हाशिर mostly plays with me. How much do you love him? तुम उससे कितना प्यार करते हो? How much do you love him? How much do you love him? I love him a lot. मैं उससे बहुत प्यार करता हूं. I love him a lot. I love him a lot. Are you happy? क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? To be honest, I am very happy. सच कहूं तो मैं बहुत खुश हूं. To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. Who named you? तुम्हारा नाम किसने रखा? Who named you? Who named you? She named me. उसने मेरा नाम रखा. She named me. She named me. Where did he go? वो कहाँ गया? Where did he go? Where did he go? He went to मुल्तान. वो मुल्तान गया. He went to मुल्तान. He went to मुल्तान. Who is this for? ये किसके लिए है? Who is this for? Who is this for? This is for you. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. You are greedy person. तुम लालची इंसान हो. You are a greedy person. You are a greedy person. तुम लालची हो. You are greedy. You are greedy. Not all people are greedy. सब लोग लालची नहीं होते. Not all people are greedy. Not all people are greedy. I put my condition. मैंने अपनी शर्त रखी. I put my condition. I put my condition. You are so shameless. तुम बहुत बेशर्म हो. You are so shameless. You are so shameless. दोस्तों ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो. अगर वीडियो आपको थोड़ी सी भी यूजफुल लगी हो तो वीडियो को प्लीज लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. दोस्तों मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज.